interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Columbus Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a blue and gray 2011 Honda CRV SUV Georgia tag TGS 7835 and a 2004 Gold Lexus Georgia tag SBZ 8631. On October 15th, 2023, Kylie Horne, white female, 11 years old, and Kylann Harper, 4 years old, was abducted by Michaela Harrell, white female, 49 years old, 5'7", 158 pounds. Was last seen at Burger King at 7301 Veteran Parkway, Columbus and Muskogee County, Georgia, traveling towards Acelia, Georgia, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Kylie Horne and Kylann Harper, or the blue and gray 2011 Honda CRV SUV Georgia tag TGS 7835 and the 2004 Gold Lexus Georgia tag SBZ 8631, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800.
It's all